guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyla, and a few weeks ago I put out a video talking all about bridge pages and what they are and what they're used for. And after putting out that video, I got several messages of people asking, hey, can you build a bridge page from scratch? Can you show me how to build a bridge page? And so I'm here to give the people what they want. And so on today's video, I'm gonna be building a bridge page from scratch for you guys. And you know the drill. If that's something you're interested in, then just keep watching. A bridge page is a single web page that helps introduce your customers to the affiliate offer you're wanting to promote to them. For example, I promote a product as an affiliate that costs $100. Now, this product is a 30-day online challenge that helps entrepreneurs skyrocket their marketing skills. It helps walk them step by step on how to sell online, helps them share their message with the world, and I got a pretty dope t-shirt from it. If I were to walk up to someone randomly on the street and be like, hey, I've got this awesome online challenge for you, give me $100. They'd be like, no. They'd turn, run in the other direction, and I'd probably get the cops called on me. Instead, a much better approach if I'm walking up to strangers is to actually engage in a conversation. Ask their name, get to know them, get to know what they're doing in their business and work and career. Business, work, and career. Those are the same things. Anyways, ask them what's going on in their life, and if I think that this challenge is a good fit for them, then start to describe the benefits and share with them my experience of taking this challenge and how I think it would benefit them, and then invite them to take the challenge. And that's such a better way to invite someone to buy a product than to just throw a link in their face and say, hey, buy this product. Helps introduce your potential customers to the offer, and because of that, you have a chance to increase your sales. You can stand out in the crowd against all the other affiliate marketers who are promoting the same offer, just not as good as you are, and it also helps your audience connect to you. It's time to stop with the link barfing. Stop cold messaging someone, throwing the link in their face, and not actually taking the chance to get to know them, see if the product that you're promoting is actually a good fit for them, and then help introduce them to the product before showing them the place where they can sign up and buy it. Now, you can use bridge pages for all sorts of affiliate products, but I find that bridge pages work best if you're promoting a service or some type of software or a high ticket affiliate offer. But I want you to remember, you can use them all over the place. Need to get started with building a bridge page is two things. You need to know the product that you're building a bridge page for, and you need a software to be able to build that bridge page on. Now, there are several softwares out there that you can use to build your bridge page, and for today's video, I'm going to be using ClickFunnels. I love using ClickFunnels, and one of the biggest reasons why I love using it is because you don't need to be a design professional, you don't need to be a techie, and you don't have to learn a single line of code to build beautiful, high converting bridge pages. So that's what I'm going to be using today. If you want to check out ClickFunnels, there will be a link down in the description below for a 14-day free trial. Yes, it's my affiliate link, but no, you don't get charged extra for using it. It just helps support me a little bit. So that will be down in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's hop onto my computer and build a bridge page. Oh, hold on, I'm a liar. We gotta actually have a product that I'm building this bridge page for, and I wanna stretch myself a little bit on this one. So let me go grab this product we're gonna be building a bridge page for.
A few moments later.
And the product is, drumroll please, Hidden Valley Ranch. I know, so random. I was looking in my fridge and I was like, why not build a bridge page for Ranch? No, I'm not an affiliate for Hidden Valley Ranch. I don't even know if you can be an affiliate for Hidden Valley Ranch. Let's say I was an affiliate for Ranch and I was trying to get people to buy this product. I want to build a bridge page to show you guys that it is possible to build a bridge page for anything, even if you're building it for Hidden Valley Ranch. My husband actually hates ranch, so if you hate ranch, I apologize. I actually like it a lot. So now, let's hop onto my computer and build a bridge page for this sucker. Okay, so here we are on my ClickFunnels account, but before we get in and build our bridge page sales funnel, I want to pull up what I was thinking. Okay, so I went and drew this in Paintbrush, which is an application on your computer that you can download. It's free, I love it. But this is what I was thinking for the bridge page. So we can add in a headline here, do a sub headline, add in a place for a video, add a button. That button would be your affiliate link. Maybe add something about the product here in like a 3-column setup, and then add another button. So that's kind of what I'm thinking for this bridge page that I'm gonna build for you guys. So let me minimize this, and let's get into our ClickFunnels account. I'm gonna go up here to where it says build a new funnel. Okay, so now that this window is loaded up, this little pop-up is gonna ask for some things, but I'm actually gonna exit out of it right here, and I'm gonna scroll down. Sorry, it was blue. There it is, bridge funnel. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this funnel. Okay, so now this is kind of telling me about the sales funnel. So it says in here that there's 2 pages, and on this template that they're giving you a squeezed page and a bridge page. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm only gonna be using the bridge page and showing you guys how to build that. But if you wanted to use a squeeze page, you could totally do that. Now you can scroll down here and pick a template. So I'm actually gonna choose this blank bridge funnel, and that template is free, which is really nice. And now we're just gonna go ahead and click get funnel, and it's gonna add it into my account. Okay, now that's loaded up, we can see our 2 pages here on the left-hand side. If you guys want to learn more about ClickFunnels and what all these buttons mean, then I have a few videos that I will link down in the description below that I did explaining what ClickFunnels is and how to build a sales funnel from scratch. But what I'm going to do right off the bat is I'm going to delete this squeeze page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this X. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to delete it, and then it should leave me with just the bridge page for this sales funnel. Now I have that 1 page, and they're giving me a list of templates that I can choose from. Now I don't really want to do an email opt-in template like you can see right here. So I'm actually going to go over here to where it says miscellaneous and go ahead and click on that. Again, this is just pulling up more templates, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the very bottom. Most of these templates are all free to use. I'm going to use this blank start fresh template. I told you guys I was going to build a bridge page from scratch, and I meant it. Okay, now that our template was successfully added in, I'm gonna go down here where it says edit page, and I'm actually gonna hit command before I click on that button, because it's gonna open it up in a new tab. So I don't have to keep clicking buttons to get back to the screen. I can just go to the next tab. So I'm gonna go over to that tab here. Okay, so here we are. We are really gonna be building a funnel from complete scratch. I'm so excited. So what I need to do first is just kind of get my layout here, and then I can add in all the design elements. So I might be moving pretty quickly throughout this tutorial. If you need to, slow down the video, go back to certain parts, but I also don't want this video to be like an hour and a half long. So let's jump in and do this. So first I'm gonna make this section full width. So I'm gonna go here to section width and click full page, and that just makes that turquoise section full page. Okay, we'll make this our headline. So I actually went and wrote down a headline that I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that. And right here, I'm gonna select and copy and paste that in. How to shake up weekly dinners without spending a fortune on ingredients. That's my headline for my Hidden Valley Ranch. Again, I'm just kind of making this up on the spot, but I want to show you guys that you can still build this. So I'm going to change the text color to black so you can see it. And I also kind of want to change the font and probably the way it's set up. Let's see, what about that? Ooh, I like that. Now, to change, like if it's capped or lowercase or whatever, I can go up here into advanced, and I think it's in text transform. I want to capitalize it. Nope, I lie. Uppercase it. Yeah, then it makes it all uppercase here, and I'm going to increase the font size so it really jumps out on your face. Really jumps out when you see the page. And I'm gonna decrease the top margin here all the way to 0, so that moves it up on the page a little bit. Cool, I like that. Now we need to add a place for our sub headline. So I'm gonna go here to this plus button on the orange, click add a new element, and I'm gonna hit add sub headline. So this is where my sub headline goes. And again, I have some text for that, and we'll just copy and paste that. Double click on the sub headline and paste. Enhance every meal with the opening of a cap. I'm so clever. Okay, right now we are gonna just make that the text color black again. We'll see if I end up changing it. Do I want to keep? I actually like this font for the sub headline. So we're gonna keep it like that for a sec. Again, we'll move on and do the design elements in just a sec. But what I also think I wanna do is right underneath this row, which is the dark blue border, I'm gonna add our video in. So I'm gonna go add a new row, one column, and down in this space, I'm gonna click add a new element and add a video in. So if you guys haven't noticed, when you're working ClickFunnels, it's split into 3 things. So you've got sections, which are that turquoise blue bordered, you've got rows, which are the dark blue bordered, and you've got elements. And so that's kind of what you're working with. Now, this video is humongous. Holy cow. So we're gonna go into the settings and see if we can adjust that. We're gonna go to advanced. We do not want it full width. Do we want 3/4? Half? Maybe we'll do half. That looks pretty good. And if I go over here to themes, I actually think I want to add a border on that. I added a white border. You can't see it because the background is white, but I think I'm gonna change that. So that's our video there. And then let's add a button underneath this video. So I'm gonna scroll down in the elements and click on button. And this is our button right here. So if I pull up my drawing again, you can kind of see this is essentially what I'm building. So I've got the headline, subheadline, video, button, and then I'll add in this little section right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So within, I'm gonna do a new section. So if you can see, I'm gonna go down here to the very bottom and click this plus sign right there, add a new section. It's gonna be full width. I'm gonna add a new row. I'm gonna do 3 columns. Do I want a headline? Maybe I want like an image or something up here. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. And then below this, I'm gonna add another button. So I'm gonna add a new row and make it 1 column. And then within this row, I'm gonna add another button. And essentially both of these buttons that I have right here are gonna go to the same place, which is your affiliate link, which is so cool. And let's see, let's add another row, or another row with 1 column underneath, just to give us some space there. All right, so now we've kind of got our basic layout. Now we have to add the design elements. So what I want to do is add in a background image for our sales funnel. So I searched Hidden Valley Ranch pictures. I have no clue how this is gonna look. Ooh, I like the one where they're all on the shelf. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and download this photo, and I'm gonna add this in as the background of our funnel and see if it looks good. So in order to add that background picture on here, I'm gonna go up to the section, so that's that light turquoise green, and I'm gonna click on settings, and right here it says BG image, so that stands for background image, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this little image icon here. So here you can see, as they slowly start to load, all the images that I've uploaded into my ClickFunnels account. And to add a new image, I'm going to just take that image I just downloaded and drag and drop it into this little dotted section. So the image got uploaded into my account. So now I'm going to make sure that it's selected and then click add image, and we'll see how this looks. Oh, okay, so this is good to know. So you can see the image is in like the top left-hand corner. Looks super awkward. So the easiest way to fix that is go to image position and go down here and say fill 100% width. Ooh, that does not look very good because it's so big. The picture's not that great of resolution. Yep, I'm not loving that. Okay, let's try another picture. Maybe this picture will be better suited. I don't know, man. Download this one and try it again. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my ClickFunnels account. And obviously when you're building your own funnel, you can make sure that the images are high resolution. This is kind of what I'm just working with in the spur of the moment because I decided late last night to build a bridge page for Ranch. This is what I get. Okay, add that in. Hey, that looks so much better. Okay, cool. But now the text is kind of hard to see. So the easiest way to fix that is go into the settings for the row, and background color, I'm gonna go ahead and select white. But what I'm gonna do is click this bar and scroll to the left, and it's gonna make it a little bit more transparent. So then it's not like white background, but it's makes the text pop out a little bit easier. And is there any, let's see if we can make this text pop up a little bit. Let's do a shadow. Let's bring this up here. So I'm gonna just decrease the top margin and increase the font size. I think the background needs to be a little bit darker. So as you guys can see, a lot of what it takes to build a bridge page is a lot of little nitpicky things here and there. Okay, so I like that. That's pretty cool. We could even give a shadow on this column here and get it to stand out a little bit. So I think we go into advanced and I click on drop shadow and let's do 40%. Oh, whoops, it didn't select it. Okay, there we go. So now you can see that it pops out from the page just a little bit right there, which is so cool. So now let's actually, I'm feeling it. The video needs to be a little bit bigger. Let's do 3/4. That's pretty cool. Let's say I did a video demoing how much I love ranch and how it's my favorite and all the recipes I do like try ranch in. What you do is like either upload that to YouTube or Vimeo or all these other things that you can choose. So let's say if I uploaded it to YouTube and made it unlisted, then I would go ahead and post that link right there and then make sure I save it. Oh, it's gonna have me name the page really quick. So you can change this name at any point. So I'm just gonna do this, get your ranch. I don't know. So we'll do that. You can change that at any point by going into settings and SEO metadata. That's where you change the name of the page. That's what shows up on the top tab. So when I save that for the first time, that will pop up. But when you add in a video, it's not gonna show up when you're editing. The only time it will show up is if you preview it, which means you're seeing what your customer would see. That's when you get to see that the video is there. But I'm not gonna do that just quite yet because obviously I didn't add a video in there. Let's work on this button here. So we gotta make this button a lot bigger. So let's increase the font size to there. Let's change the text. Click to get your ranch. So let's do that. And let's change the color of this button. So what color do we want to do? I'm feeling like an orange. Get this bar up. Ooh, a red would be kind of cool. I just don't want it to blend in too much. Orange, green. Wow, that is very bright. Let's see how that looks. Click away from it. Okay, I like that. Click to get your ranch. Not too bad. Now, as you can see down here in the bottom, it says warning, button action not set. So in order to do that, you're gonna just click on set action. And this allows you to do a couple things. So you can submit the order or the form. So if you're collecting email addresses or names, you can do that. You can open up the pop-up. You can have a Facebook opt-in, go to a website URL, and this is what you're gonna use. So you're gonna get rid of this hashtag sign, that's very important, the pound sign, and right here, that's where you're gonna add your affiliate link. And so when people click on this, it's gonna go through your link to the website to get their ranch. And so because they bought through your link, you now get a commission. So that's what you're gonna do there. Obviously, I don't have a link for ranch, so I'm not gonna do that right now. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys a really cool thing to save you some time. So I've already made this button, but I know I want that exact same button down here. So instead of recreating the same thing, what I'm gonna do is go up to this button here at the top and click clone, and it's gonna just make another one of it. And then I'm gonna click on this move button here and just drag it down. So that solid orange bar lets me know that it's there. And I'm just gonna delete this blue button. So now I've got the two buttons there, which is so cool. So now let's say I wanted to talk about some of the benefits of getting ranch. So I could add in like an image there, or I could do some text. Maybe we do a sub-headline. So I think I wrote down some benefits of ranch. Okay, encourages kids to eat their fruits and veggies. Let's add that in there. Oh, small call to action. Let's get rid of that. Okay, now let's adjust the font. So what font did I do up here at the top? Because I want it to all tie in. Okay, whatever that says. Let's scroll down here and change the font to that. And I'm gonna increase the text size so it's nice and easy to read. Okay, that looks good. Then what I'm gonna do is just clone it. So it clones that, and I'm gonna move that over in here. Let's see, better alternative to other more unhealthy dressings. It's a great reason. Oh, whoops. It's a great reason to get ranch. Better alternative to other unhealthy, other more, okay, we'll leave that there. We'll adjust the text size in a sec. Let's clone this again. Okay, so we'll clone that. Click on this. Oh, whoops, we don't want to edit it just yet because we want to move it over. So I'm going to hold the move and move it over there. And let's see, let's get our thing here. Helps satiate cravings of the people who love dip. To keep it even, you know, like there's 3 lines of that one, 3 lines of this one. Let's move this one over to the middle. There we go. So now that looks a little bit better. I want to help each of these stand out a little bit. So what we're going to do is, instead of going into the row settings, I'm going to go up here to where it says columns. And you can see when I hold my cursor over this first column, this blue box is lit up. So first column, second column, third column. So I'm going to go into first column and click edit. I'm going to go into advanced, drop shadow 40%. And that just helps it show up a little bit better. And we're also going to increase the padding. So this just means the space in between the top and the bottom. So I'll do 20 for both. And I'm going to do that for the other 2 as well. So again, go into columns, click on second column, edit, go into advanced, click on 40% drop shadow, go back into settings for that column and increase the padding by 20 for both the top and the bottom. And then we're going to do that for the third column. I really love how that's looking, but I want to add a headline up above saying like, hey, the benefits of ranch. So I just added a column and I'm going to move that up so it's above it. Let's add a new element. I would love to do like an image and maybe a headline up above that. So maybe I should have done the headline first. Oh well, we'll just go into add new element, click add headline and move this up above the image. And we'll type benefits of using ranch dressing. Okay, we'll do that. Let's change the text here. Actually, I like the text for this one. And let's decrease the top margin. We should figure out what our image is there. Okay, let's look for a good picture of a ranch bottle. Ooh, I like that one. That's got multiple. This is a pretty good photo.
A few moments later.
This is a good one. Okay, let's save image, download it to my computer, go back in here. So to add in this image, I'm going to click on the settings for this image, go into that little image icon and repeat the same process. So I'm going to drag that picture up into this little area in the top right corner. And it's gonna go ahead and upload the photo for me. And we're gonna go ahead and click add image. Okay, cool, that's not too big. I like that a lot. Let's increase the space here. And I wanna make this all caps. I'm gonna go to advanced, text transform, uppercase. Let's make it even bigger. We want that text to really stand out. So that's our bridge page. Basically, this video is doing the bulk of the work, but they can come to this page. It's like, okay, how to shake up weekly dinners without spending a fortune on ingredients. Maybe you want to shake up the dinners using ranch. Enhance every meal with the opening of a cap. And then I talk about some of the benefits. I show pictures of the product. I could even in the video show a demo of me using ranch. We gotta save. Don't forget to save when you're building your bridge pages in ClickFunnels. And let's go ahead and preview this. So this is what your customer is going to see, which is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So right here is where my video would pop up. Obviously, I didn't put a video link in there, so nothing's gonna show up there, and they can click on the button. So there you guys go, a bridge page for Hidden Valley Ranch. Man, that was so fun. But as you guys can see, it really doesn't take that long to build a bridge page. Yes, you may have to put some work and time into creating your video if you want to put that on your bridge page. Obviously, you don't have to do a video, and there may be the time putting into the copy and creating your images. You can also, if the company allows, you can pull images from the company that you're an affiliate marketer for because you're promoting their products. But make sure you just check up on that. Don't use any images or videos that are copyrighted. Be good and honest with your content. But I have a PDF that I will link down in the description below that's totally free to get, and it's just a list of all the digital tools I love to use when building funnels and doing other things online, content creation, all that good stuff. But it really doesn't take that long, and I did no coding. I didn't have to be a design professional because I'm not. I didn't get a degree in design or anything. I just love building funnels. If you guys found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It means the world to me. I appreciate it, and let me know what you thought of this bridge page, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, dudes.